So the first step for refurbishing de-ice boots is to strip the existing boot sealant, bugs, and any other contaminants. That can take a couple of turns. Then the next step would be to use the boot clean. We use this with a scrubbing pad. It helps to further remove the contaminants, the existing boot sealant, bug strikes, etc. And once you've got that removed, you can just clean it back up with 5-star foam, and you end up with a nice surface that is ready to accept the boot sealant, which is what we have here. I like to use a microfiber towel, fold it up into a smaller square. Make sure that it's a clean microfiber towel, that it's damp. Wring it out very thoroughly. And then you can start putting the product on in layers. So for the final coat, what you do is you soak the end of the microfiber down thoroughly so that it is completely saturated with the boot sealant. And then you make long, smooth strokes. You want to be careful not to get the sealant on the paint. Only keep it on the boot. It's important to let each coat dry between applications. It usually takes 3 to 5 minutes, depends on how hot it is outside, but typically 3 to 5 minutes between applications is long enough. And depending on the type of aircraft and the de-ice boot, I'll use anywhere from 3 to 7 layers of sealant.